Let's start from today the another topic of CT scan. The full form is computed tomography scan. What is CT scan? A computed tomography CT scan or CAT scan allows doctor to see inside your body. It uses a combination of X-rays and a computer to create picture of your organs, bones and other tissues. It shows more detail than a regular X-ray. You can get a CT scan on any part of your body. This procedure does not take very long, and you know what? It's a painless. A CT scan may be used to visualize the head, shoulder, spine, heart, abdomen, knee, chest. How do CT scans work? Let's discuss. They use a narrow X-ray beam that circles around one part of your body. This provides a series of images from many different angles. A computer uses this information to create a cross-sectional picture, like one piece in a loaf of bread. This two-dimensional 2D scan shows a slice of the inside of your body. This process is repeated to produce a number of slices. The computer stacks these scans one on the top of the other to create a detailed image of your organs, bones, or the blood vessels. For example, a surgeon may use this type of scan to look at all the sites of a tumor to prepare for an operation. Why is a CT scan performed, or what are the causes of CT scan? A CT scan has many uses, but it's particularly well suited for diagnosing diseases and evaluating injuries. The imaging techniques can help your doctor to find out so many things below. Let's discuss. Diagnose infections, muscle disorder and bones fractures. Pinpoint the location of the masses and tumors including cancer. Study the blood vessels and the other internal structure. Assess the extent, internal injuries and internal bleeding. Guide procedures such as surgeries and biopsies. Monitor the effectiveness of treatment for certain medical conditions including cancer and heart disease. The test is minimally invasive and can be conducted quickly. Why a CT scan is used for? Doctors order CT scan for a long list of reasons. First, start. CT scans can detect the bone and the joint problem like complex bone fractures and tumors. If you have a condition like cancer, heart disease, emphysema or liver masses, CT scans can spot it or help doctors to see any changes. They show internal injuries and bleeding such as those caused by a car accident. They can help locate a tumor, blood clot, excess fluid or infection. Doctors use them to guide treatment plans and procedures such as biopsies, surgeries and the radiation therapy. Doctors can compare CT scan to find out if certain treatments are working. For example, scans of a tumor over time can show whether it's responding to chemotherapy or radiation. Now let's start. What do the CT scan result mean for everyone? But I tell you that you need to consult your doctor first about your result, about your condition of your result or your health problems. CT scan results are considered typically if the radiologist did not see any of the flowing in the images, tumor, blood clot, fractures, and the other atypical characteristics. If any atypical characteristics are detected during CT scan, you may need the further test or treatment depending on the type of atypicality found. Thank you very much for watching the video.